Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and it is the week of the 20th, July 20th, currently Sunday, and we are expected to get iOS 26 Public Beta 1 sometime this week. We are also expecting the developer beta number 4, tomorrow on the 21st. Now, whether Apple is going to release the public beta on the 21st or if they're going to wait a day or two, we don't really know yet. Sometimes Apple will release the developer beta kind of early in the day, around 1 p.m. Eastern, and then a couple hours later, around 3 or 4, they will introduce the public beta. But sometimes they'll also wait till like a Tuesday or a Wednesday, just depending on what the upcoming release schedule is going to be like. So we are expected to get beta 4 tomorrow, which is pretty exciting, and we are also expected to get the public beta starting this week. We only have one more week after this one in July, and Apple did say the public beta is coming in July. So there's a 50-50 shot that it is coming out this week, but most people are expecting it to. Now, here on beta 3, not really having any issues. I've been using this for a little while now, and it's been pretty good for me. So stability has definitely improved. Battery life is pretty decent. So excited to see what beta 4 brings. Hopefully, it only goes up from here and improves from here, and it doesn't they don't mess anything up, because that does happen time to time. You know, beta 2 will be buggy, they'll fix it in beta 3, and then beta 4 comes out and it's an absolute mess again. So hopefully that doesn't happen this go around, which usually it doesn't, but you know, it is a possibility. But beta 4 should be coming out tomorrow around 1 p.m. Eastern, as always, and then we should be looking at getting the public beta starting either tomorrow or within the next couple of days if it doesn't launch tomorrow. So everybody who wants to run the public beta, go ahead and get excited. A lot of people have been asking me if you can switch to the public beta if you're on the developer beta. Usually you can, but there's not much of a point to doing that, because the public beta is usually just an older beta build. So if you are going to install the public beta, you're probably either already on that build if you're on the current beta, because it's either going to be based off beta 3 or beta 4. So if you're on the developer beta, you might as well just stay on the developer beta. There's no point to really going to the public build if you're on the developer one, because you know you're already running that beta software. So the public build is just usually a little bit older, so it's a little bit more stable, and they fix bugs and stuff that's already been released and kind of tested a little bit. So that is that. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.